Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be showing you how to get an iPhone verification code if you are trying to log into iCloud on a different device. So if you have your iPhone or even like on a Mac, what we're going to first do is go to these settings. And right here on the very top, we're going to tap on your name. And then what we want to do is we want to go to the second option of password and security. And it may ask you for a password to your current iCloud. And then once you type in your password, you can see on the very bottom is get verification code. And once you tap on this, it will send a verification code to you to be able to sign on to iCloud on a different device. Now, if you don't have the option to sign in on a different device and you're still trying to get onto your iCloud account, the other thing that you can do is if you go to Safari or Google or anything and go ahead and type in iCloud recovery, and then the second option that comes up is from support.apple.com, and if you choose that, it's going to walk you through what account recovery is and how to actually recover your iCloud account. Right here you will see iforgot.apple.com, and that is basically where you can submit a recovery request in order to hopefully get that verification code to hopefully get into your iCloud. So I hope this helped you guys out. If it did, don't forget to subscribe down below, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.